Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. There's tons of research out there that shows that yoga has a positive effect on brain health. When you practice asana, pranayama, mindfulness and meditation techniques in the right proportions, it gives you a holistic and well-balanced practice that betters brain functioning and even cognitive skills. Yoga improves your awareness, focus, attention to detail and even memory. When you enter a yoga class, you're not working only with the body. You are asked to listen to your breath, become aware of it and even count the breath. You have to follow the teacher's instructions and make sure you're executing them the right way. So your mind is very, very active and very much present in your practice. That is what we're going to try and experience today. So let's get started. So we're going to start standing. You're going to keep your feet hip-width apart. Keeping blocks and a bolster with you will be very helpful. If you don't have blocks, you can use really thick books to give you a little bit of elevation, and you can use a couple of pillows instead of a bolster. So start with your feet hip-width apart. Roll the shoulders back, chin down, and start by focusing your attention at one point right in front of you or on the floor. So you bring your focus to the practice now. At the same time, you begin to watch your breath. Smooth inhalation, filling your chest up. Long, smooth exhalation from the abdomen. We'll do 2 more breaths. If you're familiar with Ujjayi breathing, start to practice Ujjayi, gentle hissing sound from the throat. Stay aware of that sound and your breath throughout your practice. On your next inhale, you're going to lift your arms up. Look up, join your palms. And as you exhale, you just melt into the floor. Bend the knees and go down. Keep the knees soft, fold forward. Inhale, vertebra by vertebra, roll up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, start bending the knees, slight arch in the back. You're melting into the floor. Drop the head down. Bend the knees, inhale, vertebra by vertebra, you roll up. Watch what's happening with the breath and your body. Inhale, one last time. Exhale, start melting into the floor. Stay here. Knees can be soft. If you're still not able to reach the floor, feel free to use the blocks right in front of you. And we're just going to hang out here, allowing the head to drop completely. Letting the blood flow down towards your neck and your face. Release the neck side to side. Feel free. Drop the shoulders down. Hold it there. For 3, for 2, and 1. From here, you can increase the height of the block. Lift your chest up, palms on the block. Look forward, arch your back. Exhale, draw the belly in, your knees will straighten out a bit, round your back. Inhale, look forward, arch the back. Exhale, draw your belly in, round your back. Inhale, arch and look forward. Exhale, draw the belly in. One more, inhale, arch, look forward, stay there and breathe. 3, roll the shoulders back, space between your ears and your shoulders. 2, bend the knees, feel free with the knees. And 1, no stress. Exhale, round your back, drop the chin down. Imagine you're pushing the blocks away from you. Hold it there for 3, for 2, and 1. Bend the knees again. Move the block slightly forward. You can continue to use them if your fingers don't reach the floor. You're just going to move the hips side to side, releasing the head to the floor. Let the hips relax, your arms relax. Almost like you're drawing an arc with your fingertips on the floor. Free up your hips nicely. And the next time you go to your right side, all the way to the right side, close to the right foot. You're going to hold it there. Maybe take a few pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th one, melt into it, hold it there for 3, for 2, 1. Inhale back and you come over to the left side and pulse here for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you can't reach the floor, use the block and release the head down. 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, come back to center. From there, place your palms on the floor, bend the knees nicely, and you're going to bend your knees even more. Lift the heels up, come into a deep squat. Chest is up here. Give a little bit of relief to the head. Feel that blood flushing to your face. As you exhale, one more time, you're going to straighten the knees and fold forward. Straighten the knees only as much as you can. Don't round your back. Keep the spine long. So knees bent will help you with that. Inhale, bend the knees, lift the chest up. Exhale and fold forward. We do this one more time. Inhale, bend the knees, lift the chest up. Exhale, fold forward. Next inhale, you're going to bend the knees and slowly use your palms to release the hips to the floor and stretch the legs forward, coming into Dandasana. Continuing from Dandasana, flex your feet. Okay, so your heels are going to be pushed forward, toes towards the face, roll your shoulders back, palms giving you gentle support. Take 3 breaths here, focus on your toes, your gaze is at the toes. 3, 2, if your back is starting to round here, feel free to slide a cushion underneath your hips, it will give you a little bit of elevation. And 1, inhale, lift your arms up. As you exhale, start folding forward and you're going to reach for your feet wherever you can. It can be the toes, it can be the sides of the feet. You can even stop at the shin. Most important is the length in your spine. So in an attempt to reach your toes, don't round the back. Use a dupatta or a strap to hold on and open the chest up. If not, just place your palms on the shin and start to lean forward. If you can go all the way, go all the way down. We're going to do this dynamic. Inhale, you roll up vertebra by vertebra, arms up. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale. Up. Exhale down. Close your eyes and let's do this one more time. Watch what's happening with the breath and body. Inhale, come up. Exhale and roll down. Let's hold Paschimottanasana. It's an excellent posture to relax, works on your parasympathetic nervous system, calms your mind, it calms down your entire body, allows you to really introspect. Powerful Ujjayi breathing. One more breath. Lift the head up, chest up. Exhale and sink deeper into the posture. Inhale and roll your spine up. Lift the arms up. This time, as you exhale, you're going to round your back and go back to the floor. Exhale, swing your arms up and try to sit up. Take an inhale. Exhale. Inhale here. Exhale, sit up. This time you're going to swing your legs directly behind the head as you go down. Exhale, rolling down. Place your arms down, lift the legs up, going into Halasana. Support your hips, adjust your elbows, bring them closer to each other. Try and straighten through the kneecaps. Hold it here and breathe. If you notice, this is just like Paschimottanasana, but you're on your shoulders. Breathe, Ujjayi breathing. 1, 2, if you're very comfortable, relax the toes and slowly start to take your arms towards your toes or your ankles. Keep lifting your hips up. Slowly bring your palms back and you're going to roll down to the floor vertebra by vertebra. As you inhale, try and keep your legs straight. If that's too much on the lower back, you can bend the knees and slowly bring your feet down. Keep the knees bent. Take 2 breaths here. Slowly turn to your right side and you're going to come up into Vajrasana. So you're on the knees. Inhale, exhale, fold forward into Balasana, child's pose. Let your forehead touch the floor. If it doesn't, place a block and rest your forehead on the block. Now as you inhale, roll your spine back, take your palms behind you, your fingertips are facing your hips. Roll the shoulders back, inhale and lift the hips up, drop the chin back. Exhale, hips down and come back into Vajrasana. If Vajrasana hurts your knees or your ankles, feel free again to slide a blanket underneath the knees and a cushion underneath the hips. That elevation will make the posture a bit easier for you. Let's do this 2 more times, dynamic. Inhale, exhale, folding forward. Inhale, roll your spine up, palms behind you, shoulders rolled back, lift the hips up, drop the chin back. Exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Hold it here for 3, for 2 and 1. Inhale, roll back vertebra by vertebra, palms behind you, shoulders rolled back. Press into the palms so you can really lift the hips up, drop the chin back, hold it here for 3. You can close your eyes or gaze at the tip of your nose. 2 and 1. Exhale, relax, come into a neutral spine. Close your eyes, take a couple of breaths here. You can remove the block. A practice that is specifically catering to the brain is incomplete without your headstand. But if you're not able to do a free headstand, there's no problem at all. There are so many alternatives that give you the same effects, right? You can do it against the wall, you can do it supported against a chair, you can also do it with a bolster. So today we're going to do it with a bolster. So if you don't have a bolster, you're going to use cushions. Place the cushions or the pillows in front of you vertically. From here, you're going to place the palms on either side, tuck the toes and exhale, move into a downward dog. A simple downward dog, your knees can be bent. Now from here, walk your feet forward and see if you can place the top of the head on the bolster. Okay, now walk your palms back so you're in a triangle position. Your head and both your palms forming a triangle. Walk the feet forward a little bit more. Now lift your heels up so that your hips come in line with your shoulders. And you're just going to stay there and breathe. 1, 2, you can keep the knees bent and also lift the heels up. 3, 4, keep pushing the shoulders away so there's no pressure on the neck. And 1. Gently bring your knees down, open them up, and from there directly you hug your pillows and go into a very comfortable supported child's pose. Relax the breath. Very slowly you're going to roll up. From there, you're going to come into a very comfortable seated position. It can be Vajrasana, it can be a cross-leg posture as well. Kapalabhati is a very, very beneficial practice. It literally means frontal lobe cleansing, and it is a kriya which really helps to bring in a lot of clarity and cleans the entire system. So you can go and check out our previous videos on a detailed explanation of Kapalabhati. Today we're going to do a sectional breathing, inhale, and long exhalation. Okay, so when you inhale, you're going to inhale from the belly, 1, 2, pause, then into the chest, 1, 2, pause, then all the way up till the collarbone for 2 seconds, pause, and 1 long exhale. Okay, so your mind is in tune with the counts and the focus, the belly, then the chest, then the collarbone. Let's give it a try. Eyes closed. Inhale into the belly, 1, 2, pause. Continue inhaling into the chest, 1, 2, pause. Continue into the collarbone, 1, 2, pause. 1 smooth exhale. Inhale, belly, pause. Inhale, chest, pause. Inhale, collarbone, pause. Long exhale. Try this by yourself 2 more times. And when you're done, you can bring your palms to the heart center in Anjali Mudra and finish with your practice. So that sequence was yoga for better brain health. Of course, you need to take care of your endocrine system, your nervous system, your digestive, everything else so that your brain can function freely and happily. But if you would like a practice that really helps you to build in that awareness and really wakes you up, then this one is for you. I really hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.